flowers bloom. Spring comes with birds singing, no more gloom. Spring comes with soft rain, the grass turns green. Everything's fresh and bright to be seen.
Let's learn season of the year. Let's learn season of the year.
Summer comes with the sunshine bright. Summer comes with days full of light. Summer comes with waves crashing on the shore. Everything's warm, we play more and more.
Let's learn season of the year. Let's learn season of the year.
Fall comes with leaves turning red and gold. Fall comes with breezes, crisp and bold. Fall comes with pumpkins and harvest delight. Everything's cozy, a colorful sight.
Let's learn season of the year. Let's learn season of the year.
Winter comes with the snow so white. Winter comes with cold frosty nights. Winter comes with snowflakes falling down. Everything's quiet, a peaceful town. Now we know seasons of the year. Now we know seasons of the year.